Indian theories of personality, Vedic view of personality. Svabhava is the closest idea of personality. Sava, self, bhava, feeling, emotion, attitude. One's sabhava or personality is comprised of the accumulation of samskaras and vasanas from this life and previous lives. Samskara is a mental impression or subliminal activator and is an essential factor in the working of karma. A knowledge of samskaras is helpful in self-development and self-understanding. Every experience is associated with a number of factors: people, sound, taste, smell, etc. If the experience is pleasurable or painful, it makes an impression on the mind. The impression samskara sinks into the citta, subconscious mind. After some time, days, month, or even years, memory activates the dominant samskaras, which then produces a desire to either repeat or avoid the experience. Repeat experience reinforces the samskara. A reinforced samskara or group of samskaras produce a vasana or habitual pattern of behavior. Some of the vasanas are actively pursued and developed and are necessarily for our sociological functioning. For example, driving is a complex process which requires many samskaras: learning the road rules, traffic signs, signals, vehicle control, other traffic on the road, pedestrians, etc., all of which require learning and concentration and repeated practice. Once learned and developed into vasana, driving becomes a second nature. We can drive completely while chatting, listening to music, thinking about issues. Apart from these positive samskaras and vasanas, which are essential for our functioning as humans, there are also negative samskaras which cause suffering and obstruct our effective functioning, and these are the ones we need to work with our spiritual practices, sadhanas. So each individual is born with a whole collection of samskaras and vasanas from previous births, which are ready to activate or to be activated and produce karma.